God, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I can't see anything, and this car in front of me just ran into... Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Hold on. Oh my God. Where's my hazard? I can't see anything in front of me, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't see anything, you guys. Oh my God, I'm about to freaking have a panic attack. I can't see anything. This just came out of the blue. I was taking my son to work. I just dropped him off, and then I got on the arterial. Oh my God, I'm not on a good, this is not a good place to be just sitting. Oh my God, I can't see where I'm going, you guys. I can't see where I'm going. Like there's no lights for me to follow. I hope there's no other cars coming. I just need to get to the light. Like, once I get to the lights, I'll be all right. Oh, my God, you guys, I'm so scared. I'm driving blindly. There's nowhere for me to pull over. I don't know how I even got here. Oh, my God in heaven. Oh, dear Jesus. Oh, my God. It doesn't even look as bad on the phone, but everybody's going like 5 miles an hour. If that. What the hell just happened? Oh, my God. Okay, I'm where the light is. Where I was just at a second ago, nobody could see me. So if an asshole was coming by that had big, giant lights, driving one of them big trucks, he would have smashed right into me. Oh, my God. I can't. Holy shit. Oh, my God. So, I came live because I wanted to document my unaliving. If that was to happen, then you guys would see it. Oh, my God. I'm still shaking, and I don't get scared. That was a straight blackout, whiteout. I should have been, maybe I would have seen better if I just looked through my phone, because your picture is better than mine. Oh, my God. I'm better now. Holy shit. It just came out of nowhere. I just came around, got on the arterial, and then whoosh, it just Came out of nowhere. It was crazy. Like over where I live, it was just like some little flurries, and then when I dropped them off, it was just a little bit, and then man, I can't. Holy shit. Oh my god. So, I came live because I wanted to document my unaliving. If that was to happen, then you guys would see it. Oh my god. I'm still shaking, and I don't get scared. That was a straight blackout, whiteout. I should have been, maybe I would have seen better if I just looked through my phone, because your picture is better than mine. Oh my god. I'm better now. Holy shit. It just came out of nowhere. It came out of nowhere. I just came around, got on the arterial, and then whoosh, it just came out of nowhere. It was crazy. Like over where I live, it was just like some little flurries, and then when I dropped them off, it was just a little bit, and then man, as soon as I got on the arterial, it was like it just hit me. That is so crazy. I've never seen that before. I've been in something like that before, where I was driving blindly, where I was having to go pick my son up, and I didn't know where my ramp was or anything. I was so scared that morning. I thought I was going to be stuck, and they were going to find me unalived in my car, frozen to death. Oh, my God. Woo. That's crazy. Sometimes not till April, early May. Holy shit. Well, thanks for keeping me company, y'all. I hope y'all were praying for me. Oh, my God. It depends. It depends here. Sometimes, we've had, like, some really good years where we don't get no snow. Everything will end in, like, March, maybe April, like the beginning of April. We had a snowstorm in March one year where, like, the snow was all the way up to my chin. But if you, once everything gets plowed and shoveled, it's not a big deal. It's surviving the the process. So if you know you gotta go somewhere, you need to be out there shoveling like every hour on the hour. If you don't have a snowblower, that's a thing too. So if you don't have a snowblower, you kind of shit out of luck. Now this is what it looks like now, which this is nothing. But I've never seen it just like come out of nowhere. Usually, it'll snow a little bit and then it'll start picking up, and then but the wind was just, I don't know, it was crazy. I'm like, oh, Lord, I'm going to die. This is it. I'm coming to join you, Elizabeth. I'm coming to join you, honey. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Woo! Sorry, y'all. I don't mean to get in your lane, my bad. I'm trying to slow down before I hit this ramp, so I don't slide. Oh, I'm trying to slide. Yeah, that's the barge canal.